DIY, where we make fun-filled arts and crafts and home decors item, and I am Nikita. So as हामी wall decor बनाउन गइरहेका छौं, it's very simple. You can make it at home. अनि तपाईको घरमा भएको जति पनि papers, scissors, pens and everything, they are going to be of use. So घरमा भएका सामानहरुले आज हामी wall decor बनाउन जाँदै छौं. And without further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's begin with cutting circles. So I'm gonna take 3 colors exactly. This is pink, red, and of course I have white. So it's gonna be circles also because we are gonna make some cones. So circle बनाउनको लागि you can use a compass. I'm using Pringles-को बट्टाको lid. This is very simple. So यसलाई यसरी fold गर्नुस्, make it half. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna make some cones. So cone बनाउनको लागि you fold it like this, put on some glue, and you stick that up. So I've already made few cones, so it's quick. So यो सबै कोनलाई चाहिँ हामी धागोमा उन्न गइरहेका छौं. This is sew धागो. So the cone move नहोस् भनेर I'm going to take मोती. तपाईसँग मोती छैन भने you can also make धागोमा नै गाँठो. धागोमा गाँठो बनाएर पनि तपाईले गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. सो मैले चाहिँ स्टेबिलिटीको लागि मोती लिएको छु. सो यसरी तपाईले धागोमा तीनटै कोनलाई उनिसके पश्चात हामी यसमा गाँठो पारेर we make sure it does not move. So we just tie it with a rope. यस पश्चात हामी यसलाई साइडमा राखेर we're going to make some flowers. Flower बनाउन it's very simple. So I'm going to cut a circle. यो सर्कललाई हाफमा फोल्ड गर्नुस्. You again fold that in other half. So once you get this mini triangle shape, यसमा चाहिँ हामी flower को petals बनाउँछौं. You draw a leaf or a petal of the flower. Like काट्दिनुस्. Once we're done with that, so this is your flower. To give it more dimension, I like to cord up the petals. So with the help of a pencil, so the 3D effects are smaller. So once you have this, I'm gonna make a smaller flower. So you can use the same color or different color. I already have the same ones, so I'm gonna make a different color for petal. Or we just take cactus. This is how the flower looks. I have pre-made flowers too. Now we are going to make the main circle. So त्यसको लागि मैले चाहिँ मेरो घरमा भएको एउटा कार्डबोर्ड that is like cake को part रहेको थियो, cake को base. So यसलाई I cut it in a circle. So यसरी circle काटिसकेको छु. And then I wanted it black, so मैले अलिकति acrylic paint use गरेर black color पनि गरिसके. Black part अगाडि राख्छु. तर तपाईहरुलाई in case if you want any color तपाईले pick गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Let's start it off. As I have Fevicol and I have masking tape, this is much easier. It's almost done. Now we're going to attach the flowers that we made. So last but not the least, हामी एउटा hook बनाउन गइरहेका छौं. So it's very easy so that you can hang it off. And ta-da, you're done. So isn't this pretty? It's very easy to make. You can hang it in your wall. And with this, it's time I say adios. Yes, I'm going to be back next week with yet another DIY, a fun-filled project. Till then, this is Nikita saying ciao.